I'm the web chair of the Kappa chapter of Theta here at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. The current technology that we use to manage the fraternity is not only difficult to use, but error-prone and provides near zero transparency to the brothers of the fraternity. It was such a problem that there was an internal committee looking into building a mobile app before I even pledged nearly 2 years ago. The general process was to create Facebook events, send out GroupMe updates, and track attendance using a unique Google form for every event. Exec then had to look through all this form data and manually enter all the data into a master spreadsheet. This meant entering thousands of data points each semester by hand, which led to mistakes and significant delays. The two biggest complaints were that it was difficult for a brother to find up-to-date information on events without scouring message histories in Facebook, and that checking your current standing, known as points, was difficult and often several weeks delayed. This is problematic because it hurt the fraternity's attendance, coordination, and means brothers don't usually know if there's an event they have to attend until it's too late. If they found a mistake, they had to reach out and ask exec to fix it. This large consolidation issue is the problem that the Theta Tau app, known as Kappa for short, fixes. The goal is to unify all the services into a single source of truth with automatic and real-time metrics. In this vein of thought, brothers do not even have to make a special account to use the app. Brothers simply sign in with their illinois.edu account using Google Sign-In, and their identity is verified against our public records. Once signed in, there are two fundamental features grounding the app: an event directory and a brother directory. The event directory allows brothers to view events, defaulting to filtering only upcoming events. These events are sectioned by date, and under the hood is implemented using a virtualized list, which allows the app to handle a large number of events, even on resource-constrained devices. The same goes for the brother directory, which renders a list of brothers. When a user clicks on an event or brother, a details view slides up from the bottom, providing important information. An interesting feature here is that the view is different depending on the user. Regular brothers see basic information, including contact information, which has a basic UX features like copying the email or phone to the clipboard when tapped. If the user of the app is an executive of the frat, they have detailed metrics that track the chapter meeting attendance. They can see how many points they've earned in each category, as well as if they've missed any mandatory events such as voting, on which rushes should get bids. Executives can also create new events, edit existing ones, or delete them, which will automatically impact all existing records. In order to track events and attendance, brothers can use the app to check in to an event or request an excuse. If the brother is attending the event, they can either scan a QR code, which will automatically check in for them, or they can fill in a 4-digit random code that was generated for the event, and it's provided by exec. If they are requesting an excuse, they provide a reason which is submitted to exec for review. If the excuse is approved, it will count as if the brother attended the event for all intents and purposes. Brothers can track the state of their pending excuses on the messages page. This is also an option to request an excuse after the fact in the event that something prevented them from either checking in or requesting an excuse before the event ended. For instance, they may have attended a happy hour, but the internet connection was bad inside the bar, or other unforeseen circumstances. Executives can view the pending excuses submitted by all brothers and choose to either approve or reject them. Finally, the user can view their profile page, which will let them see their information, their current points, and their attendance records. Theta Tau is a prestigious fraternity, and the Kappa chapter is one of the largest chapters in the country. Our app will be just one more way we stand out, streamlining the management of a fraternity of our size, and this is just the beginning.